lot of you have this question in mind: is taking the Australian Medical Council exam to become a registered doctor in Australia worth it or not? Well, the best way to calculate this is by analyzing the cost involved and the return on investments. So here we are with a video that will help you do just that. Hello everyone, I am Priyanka and welcome to Academy. Well, in this video, we will make a comparison between the cost involved in taking the AMC exam to become a doctor in Australia and the salaries you can earn there. And that will help you understand in how many months you can recover the cost you have invested, and will help you decide whether the investment is worth it or not. But before we begin, I would like to remind you that Academically is one of the best platforms on which you can find informative videos about overseas registration as a healthcare professional. So subscribe to our channel to help us ensure that we can continue providing you with world-class information and education. Okay, so now I will break down the cost involved in taking the AMC exam. So step number 1 is building an AMC portfolio, which will cost you around 642 Australian dollars plus 107 for additional qualifications. Then is creating an Epic account, which will cost you around 230 Australian dollars. So this total sums up to 979 Australian dollars, which is nearly equal to 56,000 INR. Then is step number 2, which is AMC CAT MCQ exam. Now it will cost you around 2920 Australian dollars or 1.7 lakh INR. Then is step number 3, IELTS, PTE and OET exam. They'll cost you between 300 to 500 Australian dollars or around 25,000 INR. Now the step 4th, which is the last step, and the fees of this step depends upon whether you want to take the AMC clinical exam or the workplace based assessment, which is WBA. For this, watch our video to understand the difference between the two and which one you must go for. So either way, here's the fees for both options. For AMC2, it will cost you around 4,391 Australian dollars or 2.5 lakh INR. And for WBA, it will cost you around 1,070 Australian dollars or 60,000 INR. So the total investment cost when you take the AMC clinical exam is 8,583 Australian dollars or 5 lakh INR. Now, on the contrary, the total investment cost when you choose a workplace-based assessment is 4,969 Australian dollars or 3 lakh INR. Now, to sum it up, it is safe to say that you can clear all the registration exams involved in 5 lakh INR or less. Now, let's talk about the salaries. So, the average annual salary of a registered doctor in Australia is 156,000 Australian dollars, which is equal to over 90 lakh INR. Can you believe it? The entry-level position as a general practitioner help you earn around 105,975 Australian dollars, which is around 60 lakh INR. This means that you can earn over 10 times of what you have spent within the first year of working in Australia. And you can expect to cover the cost invested in the AMC exam within 2 to 3 months only. Now tell me, does it sound like an investment lucrative enough? Do you think investing in and taking the AMC exam is worth it? Well, if yes, then get in touch with Academically. But you must ask why? Because we can help you take and clear the AMC exam in the very first attempt, just like we help many other doctors. But you still don't believe us, right? You can easily watch our success story videos and you'll start believing in the magic of Academically by yourself. Visit the link in the description to explore our AMC preparation courses or book a free one-on-one counseling session with our experts for more information. So that was all for today. I hope you got what you were searching for, maybe the motivation to take the AMC exam. We will soon be back with another video for global doctors. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, you might miss on this video. So subscribe us and I'll meet you in the next. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.